Let's go. Alright guys, we are off to the airport now. I had to do what I done at Panta Plaza. Was a little bit disappointed though with the variety of shops they had there, but I did get stuff done what I needed to, which is the main thing. It's about lunchtime here, so we are heading to the airport, Chiang Mai Airport. The flight is like an hour and 40 minutes away, so hopefully I get there in time and check in. But we're on the tuk-tuk. Mr. Sutat. Mr. Sutat's in the hot seat, taking care of business while I check out some of the vibes from the back streets here in Chiang Mai, taking some shortcuts. Roads are quite busy here at the moment because it's lunchtime. Everyone's like going home for lunch and whatnot, but hopefully we get there in time and don't miss the flight. I've never missed a flight. I've traveled to about 40 countries so far, so hopefully we can get there in time. When I went to the Panta Plaza, the guy there was away and he was like, I think he had gone to lunch and he came back about 20 minutes later, which was a bit of a pain, but we got some stuff done and that's the main thing. Anyway, in the tuk-tuk, if you've never taken a tuk-tuk, well, this is the tuk-tuk. Sometimes they have music blaring. Taking some more shortcuts. This guy knows all the back alleys. Gonna catch a bus, but the bus was about 30 minutes away, so I thought it'd be wiser just to get a tuk-tuk. It's like $5 New Zealand from Chiang Mai Old Town to the airport. Bus is about, I think, $1. But hey, can't beat a tuk-tuk, man. Check that out. Police stop. Yeah, police. So basically the police stop the foreigners here a lot. Some of the foreigners don't have licenses and they get caught. So you got to pay a fine, and you normally get a letter for like a few days, so you can carry that around with you and show it to another police stop. But it's pretty cunning in a way, because like they know where the rental places are for motorbikes, and so they put blocks kind of close to where they are. So as soon as you get the rented bike, you come out on the main street, boom, police block. And then if you don't have a license or the documents, you get a fine. So it's probably just like lunch money for them, similar to the guys in Vietnam. If you get stopped in Vietnam, you just give them like $5 and that'll be their coffee money. That's how it works here in Southeast Asia. So this is the old town, which is surrounded by walls, gates, and a moat. So this moat, they have markets alongside the moat quite regularly, some nights, and weekends, and also during the day in other districts of this Old Town area. You can go to some of the markets which are pretty good. I think this is my 4th time I've been to Chiang Mai. Really glad I didn't hang out in the city that much this time. Checked out more of the nature vibes, which is a lot better. Beautiful weather too. It's been like blue skies every single day here. Now this time of the season, which is the dry season in Southeast Asia, you're pretty much going to get the blue skies. It's cooler, way cooler. So it's the best time to come actually, November, December, because not many foreigners are here either, because they're all at home in their countries celebrating Christmas and New Year's. So this is the real best time to come and check out Southeast Asia. And the prices are a little bit down this time of the year as well. They're not inflated. It's just my observation anyway. Elephant monument. This guy's a pretty good driver. If there were Formula 1 tuk-tuk competitions, I think he'd be up there with the best. I'll give him 9 kinners out of 10. Now the food here I think is really awesome. They have a lot of vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian food here. So if you are vegetarian, pescatarian, vegan, you'll find a lot of restaurants and food here, even at the markets. So it's really good to have a variety of food here, and the selections in Chiang Mai are really, really good. I think they're actually a lot better than Bangkok. Just my own observations. What time you finish? 5 p.m. No music. Where's the music?
No music.
No music.
No money.
No money. Oh. Funny character. Anyway, let's get to the airport. Get in there, dude. Get in there. Lots of cars here compared to motorbikes. You find a lot of the motorbikes in Vietnam, but here it's mainly just cars. Lots and lots of cars, which sometimes can be a problem because of the congestion. And I noticed here they travel higher speeds on the highways here in their cars than they do in Vietnam. So you've got to be really careful on the outskirts when you're traveling, because the lanes for motorbikes are very small. And you've got to use some of the car lanes, but you've got all these massive trucks and cars whizzing by at like 100, 120 k's an hour. Now for someone who's riding a bike for the first time, that can be quite daunting for them, because seeing all those cars whizzing by and trucks, People sometimes freak out. Anyway, guys, I think we're nearly at the airport. Yes, airport. So you can catch the bus over there when you come to the airport, and that'll take you back to the old town. And the bus back to the old town is like 20 baht, which is around $1 New Zealand, which is pretty cheap. So I recommend grabbing the bus, or if you see a tuk-tuk, grab a tuk-tuk. It's good fun, and it's good to meet some of these local drivers. But normally they'll say 200 baht to the airport, but really the price is about 80 to 100. So that's the actual price getting to the airport. Anyway, dude, let's get in there, man, and check in. Hopefully I make the gate on time. It's about an hour before boarding. You talking to the wife? The wife? You talking wife? She want you come home. She want to give you massage. Wife, massage for you. This guy. Go home for lunch.
Where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
I'm from New Zealand.
New Zealand. Oh.
Kiwi. Oi. This guy. Bit of a character. Alright. I can see my plane, Air Asia. Straight to the airport. Yes. Arrival. Okay, here. Yeah, I think here. No problem. Thank you. Get my bag. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Alright, guys.